Hey guys, today you're probably wondering why I have stuffing, tape, and this and scissors. I'm really gonna be testing. Oh, I told people. I'm gonna be testing stuffing squishies, or paper squishies. Oh, so satisfying. Oh, it's like a squishy already. So nice. And then, so yeah, I already cut out a square of the paper, but what you want to do is you fold the paper in half. Just cut out whatever shape you want. Cut out a square and do like a little cat thing. Then you want to tape. I thought my subscribers would like if I did something else. I already made 3 videos, I think. So, but I was thinking like maybe tomorrow, tonight, I should make, because I already made 1 video today. And I was like, I should make a testing squishy video because I was watching DIY paper squishies. I was like, okay, I'll do it today. Anyways, after you're done taping the sides, you're gonna want to put the stuffing in it. Then I was like, I should do it today because I might not. I'll be busy tomorrow playing outside and stuff. So this video counts as my video for tomorrow. So guys, don't expect me to post a video for tomorrow because I will not be posting a video for tomorrow because this is my video. So there you go. This is the stuffing one. It is really soft and satisfying. So guys, I recommend you test this. I actually got the stuffing idea I made the stuffing idea up because I was like, a while ago I was watching DIY paper squishies, and so you had to put plastic bags in it, and I tried it. I got in trouble. Yeah, so for the toilet paper one, you want to cut out another piece of paper and just draw a face on it. It's disabled. I don't know. And then just like the last one, you want to tape the sides. You see that? I don't know if my camera is getting it, but taping the sides right now. Cut off the edge, the loose edge. Then don't tape both sides. It's the same directions with like the stuffing squishy, but with the toilet paper. I said but. Sorry about that. You want to open it if I can. So, you want to open it. I'm going to just pick up your toilet paper inside. This might not be the softest squishy, but it will be a squishy. It'll be a little bit hard, but that's okay, right guys? You guys won't get mad at me. Right. Oh, I can get the tape off. And you want to tape side that was open after you put the toilet paper in. I can't do it. I'm just gonna. Sorry for my sniffling, guys. I am just sick with the allergy season right now. Okay, there you go. And I do not rate this the best squishy I've made. Oh my god, there's so much room without it. It is very hard. I like the stuffing one better. It is a little sterilizing, but like you like it. Just kidding. Bye guys, thank you for watching this video, and go down to the comments and tell me which one you like better. I honestly like this one better. I don't know why it's harder than this one. And yeah, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell and hit the like also. Okay, bye guys.